Hey guys, hello and welcome back for another video. In this episode, I want to do a quick overview of the garden, of what I put in as of May 3rd or 4th or whatever it is. But as of early May, and you know what you can be too. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Here's the plot, and as you can see, I've planted several more things here. So I'm going to go in depth and just show you what I have planted and what you can have planted by this time too.
Now obviously, the things that you have planted will differ from place to place. I'm in Tennessee, which is the southeast, so I get a little bit of a head start on the growing season, but not by much. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have. First off, yes, you can have your peppers planted. I have mine here. A variety of different pepper plants. This one's called a orange bell. There's lots of bell peppers in here. Here's lunchbox snacking pepper. I have hot peppers planted here too. And then in the middle I have a thyme plant. And then a couple marigolds, which are, they reduce the amount of bug activity just because they're very fragrant and the bugs don't like that smell. Here's another one. And then I have another flower here and some more peppers. And all throughout this area, I have sprinkled nasturtium seeds, which should come up and will provide a good blanket cover, kind of like a mulch, a living mulch. And anyway, over here, I have several tomato volunteers. Now, it depends on where you are, but these were not grown inside, evidently. And these will probably produce unless I pull them out as weeds, because I've had them coming back several years. Same with this cucumber plant. I didn't plant this, but it's just a self-planted thing. And I have a lot of nice rich compost here, Gardener's Gold, and a mulch of some straw over the top of it, which is obviously a carbon, so you don't want to add too much of that. Over here, I have a wood chip mulch, lots of wood materials in here, and more nasturtium seeds spread throughout. Over here, I have my basil plant and some marigolds sprinkled right here, and lots of nasturtium too. Nasturtium are a great flower to add to your garden, whether you're doing a vegetable garden or a flower garden. They are deterrent to a wide variety of different pests, and not only that, they're completely edible, leaves and flowers. So you can eat them and add them to the vegetable garden. But anyway, let's continue with the thing. Here I planted my sunflowers. A few are starting to pop up. Let's see. There's one. There's a lot of weeds though, which is somewhat annoying. But anyway, they're all along here, and there's lots of morning glory pop-ups, which I do not want. They are very invasive. So throw those out. And then another marigold plant and more morning glory volunteers, which you're just gonna want to pull those out as weeds. I'll probably still have a couple plants coming up, even with my efforts to keep them off. The herb plants that I have planted here are pretty varied. I've got a mint plant here and lots of bergamot or bee balm planted all throughout here. And then a new plant, I have some pineapple sage here, which you can add to teas, and it's supposedly tastes kind of like pineapple, but also has red flowers. So that should be interesting. We'll see what happens as the growing season goes on. But anyway, that's what the garden looks like. I still have some more over here, and my raised bed, and all this to plan out. So if you like seeing what I have planted, stick around, and I'll show you all the other things I come up with to plant in this area. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like my videos, give a like or subscribe. That would be great.